Most of us nag-set ng goals for 2025 but karamihan sa atin, February pa lang is sumuko na. Paano ba magstay consistent? By understanding na walang kukuha ng pangarap mo kundi ikaw lang. Hindi kaibigan or pamilya mo dahil in the first place ikaw ang nag-set ng goals na yon at alam mo sa sarili mo na ayun yung gusto mo. Dahil I achieve my goal na nakabukod ako before 18. Right now, I'm still 17. My plan before is mag-succeed in different kind of sources of income. But kabaliktaran yung nangyari. It was a byproduct of a problem and urgency na kailangan kong solusyonan. So kung sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na may next year pa naman, go ahead. Dahil tama ka, may next year pa naman. But the question is, gusto mo bang still the same pa rin ang buhay mo last year and this year? Same cycle, same habits, no achievements. I'm sure that you don't want that. You are one decision away to achieve something meaningful in your own life. That's all for my day 4 of reaching 100,000 pesos before I turn 18. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Peace out.